Hi everyone, welcome to the Jönköping University. I'm Lenka from Students for Sustainable Action, and in this beautiful building of education and communication is located our rooftop urban garden. Let's have a look at it together. Welcome to our beautiful garden. We are a group of students under SSA, the urban farming team, trying to create this green space at the university and try to teach students how to grow their own food and get connection to the nature. And we are trying to make it as sustainable as possible and use the permaculture principles. This is our greenhouse, and it enables us to have a longer growing season here in Sweden, because usually it's much shorter. Because it keeps the space more warmer, we are able to grow different veggies like tomatoes, for example, that needs a much warmer climate, or we have these beautiful brassicas here. Or these are our little zucchinis. This is 1st of June and we have been able to harvest already. There was a lot of lettuce and radishes that we planted a few months ago, and now this is going to be a second harvest during the summer. Here are grapes. They are super sweet. I think they will be done in end of August, so that's in 3 months. Here we have also peppers. Look at this little pepper growing. Aww! This patch is a little bit wilder. We leave different flowers grow here in order to attract insects and increase the biodiversity of the garden. We have also some old grapes here that are not so sweet as the ones from the greenhouse. But right now there's lots of lemon balm as well, and during the season a lot of different flowers and plants start growing here, and once there's a little bit of space we put there some plants that we wanted to put there, like these zucchinis and peas, for example. Look at them. In this patch we have green kale still from the last year, and right now we are trying to save some seeds that will show up soon. We have lots of space to plant more stuff later in the season. There are small seedlings already. This patch is more being wide and again, like for the biodiversity, and just getting different herbs here in its own way, like these chives and rhubarb. Very nice. Here's some rucola and other stuff. Here we have seeded some carrots, which will grow very soon, I hope. Here we can see already potatoes coming up and some celery leaves coming still from the last year. This patch is also letting to be wild, and later we can use the green stuff as a green manure to fertilize our soil. Here are some strawberries because we like berries and sweet stuff. This is our watering system. Unfortunately right now we are taking water from the university, but we have implemented this water saving system which detects when there's rain, and the whole auto irrigation of the garden. It's automated, so it will open every day at 11 o'clock to water it, to water the garden. There are ventils where the water comes out and waters our beautiful patches. It's especially important in the greenhouse. We also have a mulch here in order to prevent the water runoff and save some water. The outer irrigation continues all the way here, and it's in between the plants. Maybe you can't see it, but it's there. Here it's quite visible. Just springs all over around. We are trying to use all the corners and small spaces, like for this one, lady's mantle, amazing herb for tea. Important part of our garden is this compost. Woo! It's a bit empty right now, but we are trying to have a cycle in the garden and use all the scraps to produce nutrition for the next plants coming.